Kung dili nimo ni humanon nga video, katunga sa imong kinabuhi, masayang. Abi na kung namatay si Jesus tungod sa bunalang, sa lansang, ug sa dugo nga niagas. But I was wrong. Yes, the pain was real. Gibunalan siya, gitamparos, giinsulto. His body was torn. His blood fell to the ground. Every hit, every nail, sakit kayo. Pero dili pa ito ang pinakalala. The Bible says, reproach has broken my heart. Broken heart. Sa cross, dili lang lawas ang nag-antos. His heart was breaking. Slowly, deeply. Kay gidala niya ang sala nga dili iya. Ang sala nako og imo. And when he cried, my God, why have you forsaken me? Dili lang to kasakit sa lawas, kundi kasakit sa kasing-kasing nga gibiyaan tungod nato. Kabalo ka unsay makapabuak sa kasing-kasing? Not just pain, but love that is not returned. Gihigugma kaniya, pero sa cross, siya ray nag-inusara. Everyone left, and still he chose to stay. The nails didn't keep him there. Love did. And that love broke his heart for you. If this touched you, don't ignore it. Share this because someone out there needs to know that Jesus was broken just to save us.
Life of my